My name is Samiha Kolakkar. Today we'll explore one of the most dynamic and powerful Shat Kriya, Kapal Bhati. Kapal means forehead or skull and Bhati means to shine. With regular practice of Kapal Bhati, it is said to bring in clarity, lightness and radiance, not just to the face but to the mind and entire being. Today we will learn and practice the correct technique and breathing pattern. Let's begin this journey step by step. To join me on this journey, hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoy this session. Let's begin by settling down in any meditative pose, aligning the breath and posture. Kapal Bhati, a Shuddhi Kriya which is exhalation based. Every exhale, we snap the stomach in and we only focus on the exhalation throughout the practice. Minimum of 40 exhalations in every round and 3 rounds of such 40 exhalations is a good beginning. All we need in the practice is the spine upright, the speed of the exhalation, and the snapping of the abdomen to be consistent. The speed is not the game, and hence do it at your own natural speed. After every round, ensure you take a pause, you allow the breath to restore, realign your spine, bring back your awareness, and only then begin with your next round. A palm on the stomach is a good reminder for the consistency of the snapping of the abdomen. And we do not focus on the inhalation at all. We only remain with the exhalations. As this practice is to basically exhale all the breath which is stuck inside and make space for fresh prana. So we have to keep reminding ourselves, speed is not the game. Experience and absorb the after effect. And do not rush into the rounds for completion. The next 2 rounds, we will do with our arms up. Gently folded elbows, and this gives a more refined posture, more focus, and more physical alertness. The speed remaining the same, the snapping of the abdomen consistent from the first exhale to the last. We can practice Kapal Bhati with crossed legs, sitting on the chair, as long as the spine is tall and upright. We now come close to the last round of Kapal Bhati, the 4th one. And as a beginner, 3 rounds with 40 exhalations in each round is a good start. The ideal time to practice Kapal Bhati is in the morning because it ignites the digestion. It ignites the Agni in the abdomen region and sets the tone for the day. Feel the after effect of the entire practice and limit your physical movement to be able to sense those sensations. At the end of the practice, let us prepare to raise our arms up. Feel that inhalation and length, and gently slide the palms into your chest.